Hi, Marissa. I'm going to give you some feedback on your portfolio again. You were at kind of, I think I put you at about an A minus at some point, but looks like you've made some changes, so I will take a look. So you've given yourself an A for week one. That's a very strong justification. You've given a fair bit of detail. I think I was probably going to say that maybe this area and this area are a bit thin on detail. Well, actually, this is fine, but sorry, the critical thinking and the challenges, and maybe there were just limited challenges, but the critical thinking might have been, what did you think of the mind map and the audio podcast and short video and such? And then I did ask for the personal project, which you've given a link to now, and there's the chat to that, and this is all good. Community contributions. You submitted a couple articles, so that's definitely, no question, A quality work. And then I see the missing final output, but I think maybe you've got it here now. So that is solid. I'm looking at the side, so that is a quality. I think that was all there was a problem there, really. And then you put in the debate, which is nice, and you put in your reflections, and you've got an article in there, which is great. Solid, reasonably solid justification here. You've got your activity, which I believe was the challenge list. Let's see. Yes, it was. And so that's all good. And let's see, what did you do here? Oh, supporting and generating. Use Claude. Claude 5, just seeing. Oh, task tried, try Claude. Limitations. Icons were based, still like the visual. Goes very effective. Okay. So that's good analysis. You've got a good reflection here, and you've given me a good detailed idea of the tasks that you completed, which is pretty impressive. And then you're doing your guide here and your general project, which I've given you A plus on, so I don't really have to worry about that. You've got your community contributions. Well, we've agreed that you should. Well, you thought A, I thought A plus, but I think we agreed that it was high quality. This is solid. You've got the challenge. And I'm giving you a video here, and you've given yourself A plus here, and you've got the video there, and a great description and an extensive reflection, and oh yeah, okay. This is what you're producing in terms of your planning guide, and let's just take a look. Just curious. Um, yeah, you've got. Yes, okay, just lovely. And then we've got the community contributions, which are fine and solid, so that's all good. And then I don't think I asked you, you didn't have to grade here, so that's fine. We've got the deep learning activity, collaboration, which is good. And then you have the project here and the home, the website, which is, yes, pretty darn amazing. Um, and downloads and resources. That's yeah, you can't ask for any more than that. That's that's a pretty big project. I'm just wondering here, um, how many? I've got your hours. Yeah, I've got this. That's all good. I don't know if I saw your self-reflection. I'm gonna take a look and see. It's somewhere there. It was so good. Personal project. Do I have it here? Just trying to. Okay, yeah, here we are. Paste, curate. That's a project. Um, Prompt checklist. Yeah. So actually, got this. This is great. I'm wondering if you could give me a self-assessment sheet because I want to know how many hours you spent on this. If it is 36 hours or more, that's fine for your final project. It just seems like this would have been longer. But I could be wrong. I don't know if you need to be doing yet another project here. Let me just see. Prompt to practice. This is something different now, is it? Oh no, that's it. That's what you've got. So, yep, we've done all this. Got this community contributions, and then you've done the activity for 6, which is solid. You're looking at brisk. Your practice and accessibility. So that's all good. I've been developing a Gen A resource site, which I've been designing for Wix. Okay, so that's good. And then there's this in-class reflection. That's solid. All right. So overall, I would say this is all A to A plus, no question about it. What I would like though is if you could go to Canvas and look at the self-reflection and create a self-reflection, I'd like to see that. And that would just cement everything at A plus. Plus, depending on the number of hours you work, it just seems like you would have worked a lot of hours on this. I think you might be done with projects, but you let me know.